Hi, this is Khurram Iqbal. I am avionics engineer for this product. Today we are going to discuss about our product. Some of friends were asking to us that is this a robot or a drone? After a long discussion, we identified that this is not a robot, this is not a drone, this is Drobot. So what does our Drobot do? It's a consist of two technology, multi-rotor UAV system and mobile phone technology, smartphone. The mobile phone has given interactive capability and unlimited range feature. The robot is very smart. When anybody requests through UAE Falcon application, the robot plans its mission journey by itself and reach to the needy place. There are different kinds of multi-rotors are available in the market, quadcopters, hexacopters, octacopters, but we choose hexacopter for our feasibility, for higher maneuverability and according to the size. We have used control system which is open source available, while we have tried many control systems like APM, A2, PICSOC, means our control system is available in open source and it is fulfilling our all requirements. We used open source controller for our control system. Okay, there are many sensors interface with this controller. Okay, there is airspeed sensor which works on the principle of pitot-static system, like taking a total pressure from the moving vehicle and static pressure, and it calculates the dynamic velocity. Now we have a GPS which is a global positioning system, and through this we are making the missions more accurate because we are locating the waypoints and we place the mission. And our GPS which we have choose from the 3DR, it's very much accurate because we have tested many flights and we found it's best. Within the 1 by 1 meter we are getting our results. So it's marvelous. We use telemetry system which is 433 megahertz, and it has a range of about 300 meters, which can communicate with your ground station and you can visualize the dynamics of the flights. We use this LiDAR, it's an optical sensor and it throws the frequency and receive and calculates the distance of the object. This is giving more accurate landing and takeoff within 10 meters. That's marvelous, means we got a good results by adding LiDAR with our control. We are using Futaba receiver and transmitter for just in case we have any problem in the testing. While it is autonomous totally, there is no need for transmitter or receiver. It's totally internet based control, worldwide it can be controlled. It's totally depend upon the battery charging. We use this motor which is 330 kV and this works on 22 volt and it consumes about 15 ampere on the maximum output. We use 6 motors with the same manufacturer, which is T motor. We use the battery which is a LiPo battery, and it is 10,000 milliampere hour, which is 6S, and it provides voltage between 22 volt to 25 volt. We use S4 smartphone for our internet based control. We are using 4G with our smartphone and it is connected with our controller through a USB connection. It is providing, we can control or give the command through this application in the mobile phone, which is called a Droid Planner. We can check it out the display of outputs of drone. So this robot is ready to use for police station, police officers, for inspection of any accident within the range of 53 kilometers. It is totally autonomous. There is no need for much more interaction with the human being, and it's easy to control. I hope you understood. Thank you very much for your cooperation.